So over here you can see that I have a program pseudocode that takes input of 3 products and then displays out total prices as per the quantity. So let's say I want to actually write this out as a programming code, a C++ programming code specifically. So to do that, I can simply go ahead and copy out the pseudocode that I have in Claude right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and keep it within inverted comma right here. And then what I'm going to say is convert this pseudocode into a functional C++ programming code right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and then convert that particular pseudocode right here into a C programming code. So you can do this with any programming language. So you can give a particular, let's say, a pseudocode and tell it to convert it into a particular language. And you can see the language right here. So you can simply go ahead and copy it and then go around onto a compiler. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste it out right here. So once I do that and hit run, what happens is that I will simply have a functional program. So it says enter the price of product 1. So I'm just going to say 56, let's say for example, and then I'm going to say 746 right here and 67. Then you can see like I have the price right here. So I'm just going to go around and say 56 as price, 1 as price, and 3 as price. And you can see the total for each of the product and the grand total right here as well. So that is basically how you can actually go ahead and convert out pseudocode to actual programming codes using Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.